Hello everyone, this is my final report presentation for agent-based modeling for traffic simulation. For this project, we have extended the multi-agent based traffic simulation model to add rich capability like adding support for real-time agents like car, truck, cycle, etc. We are also going to add new sliders to change number of cars, truck, cycle, etc. as well as their acceleration. We are also going to see how can we mirror accident scenario and consequences of that on a traffic flow. So why doing this study, right? So currently existing model meet basic requirement but lack to meet the real world scenarios. As a part of this project, I am adding new capabilities to support the new agents like truck, cycle with their own speed, acceleration to bring model close to real world scenario, also adding capability to simulate accidents and how driver patience level affected by this. To support vehicle speed based on the type, we have added slider to vary number of truck or cycle as well as slider to vary acceleration. On right side you can see the code snippet that we have added to speed up or down based on these global variables, where we are using breed to drive conditions. In future, this can be extended to other vehicle types like motorcycle or 3XL or 4XL truck, etc. As per one of the study, we have noticed that the average number of traffic accident in US is around 6 million. So to cover this in our model, we have added the accident here global variable. When we select yes, it will change the car's shape to fire and mirror the accident scenario as you can see on the traffic lane. All car behind this selected car will be blocked and they need to change the lane in order to bypass or wait for traffic to clear out. We are also going to decrease the driver patience level in this kind of a scenario, and we have also added the code snippet for the choose new lane which will be used in order to change the lane for car, cycle or truck. For verification, to verify our model we are starting with only one car and we can see how driver patience is constant throughout the journey, which shows that the our model is working correctly as driver do not have to speed down or brake as there is no accident scenario. Verification 2, when we have different type of vehicles we can see driver patience for selected car in red is decreasing as speed of the truck or cycle is slower, and so the car driver have to slow down or change the lane in order to maintain their speed, which is shown on the graph in the red selected car section. We have added the custom cycle shape to net logo as well as we have imported the fire shape from outside which can be displayed here, which can be later used to mirror the accident scenario. We have also tested our model with real Virginia 2019 traffic dataset where we have scaled down 7,000 vehicles to 35 cars and 5 trucks as we can see on the screen. Along with we can also see how driver patience level is varying. Future work. If I have more time, I would like to enhance the simulation environment by adding multiple lanes which can support car only or truck only lane. We can also add ticker to clear out the accident automatically after certain seconds, and we can also create the accident when driver patience level decrease below certain threshold. So this can be future enhancement work that can be done. Thank you.